Welcome to the ultimate productivity companion, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 laptop. Get ready to unlock your full potential with this powerhouse device designed to keep up with your demanding lifestyle. Featuring a stunning 15.6-inch FHD display, powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, and packed with essential ports like RJ45, USB-C, and HDMI. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 is engineered to deliver uncompromising performance for all your computing needs. Whether you're crunching numbers, streaming your favorite content, or unleashing your creativity, this laptop is up to the task. Plus, with its long battery life, you can stay productive all day long without worrying about running out of power. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and the WOWPC Bundle included, you'll have everything you need to hit the ground running and make the most out of your computing experience. Say goodbye to slowdowns and hello to seamless productivity with the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 laptop. Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Don't wait any longer. Get your hands on the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 laptop today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching.